Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will explain how Nuxt.js routing structure works. So we are not going to create Nuxt app because I already created an app. Okay, so if you don't know about how to create a Nuxt app, I already made a video on it, and I will add the link in the description, so you will learn how you can create your Nuxt app with all commands. Like if you want to choose a package like npm or John, which UI package you want to use, I explained every steps in the video, so you can check out the description. Thank you. Without wasting any time, we are going to start our topic. So okay, our app is running on localhost 3000. Okay, and my app name is my Nuxt app, and this is an index view. Okay, this is my Nuxt and this is my next Nuxt, and the logo is there. Okay, I don't want anything from basic template, so that's why I'm going to create my own. Okay, and this one is a div, and I'm naming this home page. Okay, little indentation needed. Okay, and I also don't want this styling, so I'm going to cut out it from here. Okay, it will display only home page, so save this one, and our changes directly reflect on the web browser. Yeah, let's save this one. It says save.index insufficient permission, retry as an administrator. Let's save this one, and why it says you need permission. Yeah, I will assign this administrator permission. It will actually my app is inside the C drive, that's why it's asking us about permission. And yeah, now it's successfully working, home page. Okay, and our home page is successfully working. So I'm going to explain how routing structure works. So this is 3000, and this is the main page of our app. If you want to create /login, okay, let's hit enter. For now we don't have this login view, that's why it will say it's like we did not found your page. Okay, it's still loading, and okay, it's processing. Okay, this says page could not be found. It means that this login view does not exist, that's why it's throwing this error. Okay, and if you want to create this login, how you can create a login route. Okay, you don't, in the Nuxt app you don't need to create router.js file and initialize it in the main.js. You don't need to do anything. This is a feature of Nuxt.js. It will provide us automatically routing. You are inside a page, and inside the page we have an index.view, and this is a by default. If you want to create a login, you need to create a view file here, like the name is login.view, and this login, oops, where it is, it says enable no permission. Shit. I'm going to move this project to another directory and come back. Hey guys, I'm come back, and I moved my project from C drive to A drive because it's restricting me, because I'm not logging as administrator. So our issue is resolved now. Okay, and now we are going back to our topic. Okay, we are discussing about how we can set route in our Nuxt.js app. This is our Nuxt app, and we are running index.view. Okay, and if you want to create /login page here, how you can structure your route. You don't need to define anything in the router.js file. You don't need to initialize this router.js file in the main.js. Nuxt.js automatically provides you this by creating a file. Okay, if you want to create like /login route, you need to create a file inside the pages, login.view and login.view, and we will set a simple template here, and inside the template we are going to create a simple div. Okay, and hello from main page. Save this one, and our changes will be reflected on the browser in a few minutes. It's still loading, and just wait for a moment. And yeah, it says hello from, oops, this is not a main page, this is a login page. Okay, save this one, and yeah, it's running, and yeah, completed. Hello from we need to manually refresh it because our changes not reflected on the web browser. So let's wait for a moment, and yeah, it says hello from login page. Okay, and we created a file login.view, and our route is structured about according to this file. If you want to create route like admin/login, and it still says that we did not found this page. So how you can create this type of structure? So let's go to the page directory, and inside the page you need to create a directory first. The name is admin, okay, which we define here, and inside the admin you need to create a login file. So we already created the login file, and we are moving this into the admin folder. Okay, and inside the login hello from login page with the admin directory. Okay, save this one, and it's still processing. Okay, and yeah, it says login page with admin directory. Now our routing is automatically set. Okay, if you want to create this user/login, you need to create a folder inside the pages, and inside user you need to create a file login.view. But if you want to create a file like admin slash first we will define role/admin/login like this. So you need to create a first role directory, then administrator, then login. So let's go back and create a role directory here. It's a role, and inside the role you need to move this admin directory, because we don't want to create another admin folder, and then inside the admin you want to create a role file. Copy, oops, we move an index file inside the, oh no, we did not move any file. So yes, and our admin directory is moved inside admin/login, and let's save this one, and it's rebuilding our app. Why it's not refreshing our, yeah, now it's refreshing our web page. So wait for a moment. Okay, role/admin/login.view, and hope, yeah, it's successfully working. It says hello from login page, and this is coming from there. Okay, hello from, oops, hello from, what the hell is this? Hello from role/admin/login. Okay, so you can view it on the web browser, and it says role/admin. It means that we are changes in this file, and these changes are reflected on the web browser. So our routing structure is properly working, and yeah, that's it. You create routing structure in a very simple manner. And actually guys, if you are thinking about Nuxt.js and Laravel. I'm thinking about this to create a series about Nuxt.js and Laravel, and if you are interested, please comment on it and share your feedback, and after your feedback I will cover these topics. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.